I be Sir Roy, you the highest emperor in this rap shit. Acknowledge my charisma in the way I format shit. Drop jewels, my science is beyond Einstein's theory.
Well, alright. Welcome back to the episode of Get a Nose on 'em. Alright, some of the boys were telling me that I should make a series and call it the Dollar Fridge series. Ridge's Dollar Fridge. Shout out the boys. Maybe I'll do it. I don't know if I'll run with it or not, but here's another one I picked up from my local shop. They have a dollar fridge. When shit gets a little old, they put it in this fridge. I check it every time I go. Sometimes there's good stuff, sometimes there's Michelob Ultra. It's a hit and miss every single time. Sometimes you get some top-notch brews like this, Cushwa. And this is High Hopes. And this is a 8% New England style double IPA brewed with Citra, Sabro, and HBC 472 hops. Sounds good to me. I don't know, got like fucking lasers and shit. Kind of looks like the Saved by the Bell type graphics, if you remember that. And this one doesn't have a can. Oh yeah, it does have a can. I gotta peel this sticker back. Looks like... Hold on, there's a sticker over it. When they're in the Dollar Fridge, they put a sticker on it. February 2020. So, what, a little over a year? I don't know, more than that, but whatever, it's a lot. I don't feel like doing the math. Things all dented and crushed, but we're gonna roll with it. So, I mean, I think I have reviewed stuff from the Dollar Fridge before that didn't have a crazy date, over a year, but so this would be, if I stick with it, this would be the official, unofficial Ridge's Dollar Fridge episode 2. We gotta really sanitate these things, man. There could be syphilis on this shit, E. coli, I don't know what the hell. I don't know where it came from, but let's clean it. Alright, nice and clean. Stick this in, see what it looks like. Yeah, that tin didn't even fully snap. Let's give this a good shake. I'm gonna pour a little bit. Actually, it's pouring a nice color, man. I don't know, these year-old beers are putting in work. Skilling it. Let's try to shake that real good at the end. Alright. That is a good fucking looking beer. This smells fresh. From what I can smell from this far away, it smells like my wheelhouse. Alright, so one more time. This is High Hopes Cushwa. And this is an 8% New England style double IPA brewed with Citra, Sabro, and HBC 472 hops. Leave that there, and it's over a year old. I don't feel like doing math, but I told you the date was February of 2020. They don't say the exact date, so we'll just leave it like that. Swirl it. I mean, if you follow my stuff, man, that is my wheelhouse. That is that milky, really pale, creamy colored look to it, man. It's real New England style haze through and through. Zero clarity. Teeny tiny carbonation bubbles, some floating sediment. Check. So that's what I'll do from now on. Maybe if I go to Dollar Fridge, I see something good, and I'll just label it in the series. The first one was a home run. That was almost 2 years old. 1 year, 9 months. So get a nose. Dude, that smells fresh up. I mean, that smells fresh out the brewery to me. I don't know, man. This is like Freaky Friday shit. Twilight Zone. All types of citrus notes. A little spicy scent to it too. Maybe like a peppercorn. I don't know. A papaya, maybe. I don't know. Something with a little bite on it. Grapefruit, possibly grapefruit. A little stingy, spicy scent to it. Some beautiful, nice earthy tones under that. I was like, maybe like a little mango or something else there besides the citrus. That's all I got for you, man. This smells dead fresh, man. This Cushwa fucks. Maybe they hold up a year plus. We'll see. Cheers. Fucking home run. This is almost impossible. This is my second in a row year plus beer. That's an A beer all day. I'll give you a little sneak peek. This is A. When I snap 10, this is what I'm looking for. Alright, I'm getting the beginning of the sip. There's this real soft fruit flavors, but like mixed mash. Almost like, what's that gum that used to lose its flavor in like 3 chews? Something stripes. It was like zebra stripes or some shit. Fruit stripes. Like that flavor. Like a fruity bubblegum flavor. Then it's like a real beautiful creamy body to this thing. Like this is, when I search for beer, this is I'm saying, this is me. That is a beautiful medium body to it. Very soft, creamy, pillowy. Just lathers your mouth with goodness. Very low carbonation. It's a pleasant sip, man. That's fucking delicious. That is delicious, man. No way else of putting it. I mean, it's beautiful. It's almost a perfect sip. I mean, I could go solid A on this. I'm not even lying, and I think I am. Speechless. Literally speechless. That's a 4.5. I mean, sue me, but like I said, this is beer to me now. I mean, I used to drink all that, lager shit, Red Stripes, Presidentes, Heineken, blah 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 blah, all that shit. That used to be beer, and then over the years you graduate. Now this is beer. Like, this is what I'm searching for. Phenomenal, man. I'm telling you, you gotta get on that Cushwa kick. I know they don't distribute far, but they hit a lot of home runs. So, solid A, 4.5 for this one. I wish I had more cans. I would go get it tomorrow. I don't care if they're 3 years old. I'm fucking getting them. Farewell, my good men and ladies. Peace.
MC Square, I make rappers leery, my brain weighs 7 and 1/2 of power. Mics get melted down,